Welcome to Tech Solution. Netgear Insight Login. Netgear Insight Login via web portal. To log into your Netgear Insight solution, it is necessary that you have an Insight account. Your Netgear account will be the Insight account. You can use the same account for Netgear Extender login. Access a web browser on your PC. Type accounts.stg.netgear.com into the address bar. You will cross paths with the Netgear account login window. Type in the email address. Input the password, click Netgear Sign In. You will be logged into your Insight account. Netgear Insight Login through mobile app. Install the Netgear Insight app available on Google Play Store as well as the App Store. Make sure that the Insight app version on your mobile phone is updated. Now, launch the app. A screen asking for the email ID and password will welcome you. Input the valid details and tap the login option. You can also choose to log in with Facebook. If you face problems with the login process, tap Trouble Logging In. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete the Insight login process. Thanks for watching.